I'm back with another video, and it's that time of season again. So cold and flu season, sore throats, congestion. So we're going to be doing fire cider, okay? So we've got apple cider vinegar with mother. We've got honey, and then I've got my take on it, the vegetables that I'm going to be using, the fruits and vegetables. So I've already got my black pepper in the jar. So now I'm going to go ahead and add in my onions. And I am using red onion. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in my horseradish root. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in my lemons. And then I'm going to add in my garlic, cloves. And you can just eyeball this. You don't have to do what I do. You can put as many, whatever you think you need in it. This is a 32-ounce jar, and I'm going to add in some fresh rosemary. And if you don't have fresh, you can use dried. You don't have to use this. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in some limes. And I'm going to go ahead and add a little honey in now. Okay. And this is a oxymal. It's basically what this is. And I'm going to add in some red bell pepper. And I'm going to add in some jalapeno pepper. And we're going to go ahead and add in some ginger root, fresh ginger root. I try to get everything fresh. Okay, and then we're going to add in some white and yellow turmeric. And yes, they do have white turmeric, and that's something that I'm going to talk about in another video. Okay, got a couple of more pieces over here that I'm going to add in. And now I'm going to add in my oranges. And I'm going to add in some more rosemary. You never have enough, too much of that. And now I'm going to pour in my apple cider vinegar with mother. And this is great for immunity, great for cold, flu season, congestion, digestive health. This is definitely something that you want to have for the winter, to get you through those winter months. And like I said, you can have your own take on it. And like I said, the black pepper was already at the bottom to help with the absorption of the turmeric, the white and yellow turmeric. And this is what it will look like. I did this one earlier today, and this is the other one. So I'm going to label these and put the dates on them. It should set up for about 2 months, 6 months, 6 weeks to 2 months, okay? So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel.